So, I'm Lars, founder of Roadroid company. Roadroid is a system to capture road condition with a smartphone. I'm going to quickly give you an introduction to the system and its contents, and then we'll carry on to some hands-on experience in the car. So, the system consists of the smartphone and an app installed to capture the roughness of the road using the built-in accelerometer in the phone. In the app, there's a possibility to calibrate the system depending on what type of car you're using, the phone you're using, and the average service speed. There's a number of settings to set the sensitivity and check it towards an output of a more accurate system. After setting up the phone and calibrating the system, you survey. The app, it doesn't need a phone reception while serving. All of the data is stored in the phone while surveying. So after a survey period, a day or two, you upload the data connected to a Wi-Fi. And there we have a cloud service receiving the data. And this cloud service also option to view the data. You can see the result projected on the map with the photos located. From the system you can also extract data if you want to make charts in Excel or print the data on different GIS tools. Except from viewing and extracting data, you also have the possibility to interact with using a web service. So we have an API. If you have already a road assets management system, there is a possibility to directly retrieve the data from the cloud we have.